Hi everyone, this is a quick home remedy for a scratchy throat or a persistent cough. All you need is some honey and some cloves. You roast the cloves and crush them and mix them with honey. Roasting the cloves. No oil is used, and it takes a few minutes to heat them up and warm them. Um, that's in. You just roast them. It takes a quick 2 minutes to roast them. You can tell it gets a little bit of aroma off of the cloves, and you know they're done. When you put them in a coffee grinder and just grind them. So here we have them ground, the cloves, and we just add these to a jar of honey. So I'm going to add these into this jar of honey, and that's it. So here we have a honey and clove mixture. You can carry this bottle with you and just lick it and take it in small quantity, and it's amazing for the throat. Take care. Hope it helps.